Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ritu and you are watching me on Henna Nail Art and Beauty. In this video, I am going to share my latest skincare shopping haul in which I bought a lot of skincare items from Priceline Australia. Priceline is a drugstore in Australia where you can get medicines, skincare, makeup, hair care and lots of other stuff. So it's a huge 40% off sale which is going on at the moment, and it's for only 2 days. Means the sale is for today and tomorrow. Means 28th January is the last day for the sale. So if you are going to if you're looking for some skincare or tanning or sun protection item to restock them, or if you want to buy some new ones, then this is the best time for you to go there and check some good deals. So without any further ado, I shall share my haul with you, the items which I got and the items which I have already used in the past, and I highly which I haven't used before, but I have heard some really good reviews about those, so I'll definitely share them with you. So the first item that I bought is bio oil, which I don't think needs any introduction because it's a famous and very useful, tried and tested product. I got some stretch marks when I was trying to lose weight, and during my pregnancy also I got some. So this oil is a great thing to use on scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging skin and dehydrated skin. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll definitely update the exact price of each of the items I'll share in this haul in a blog post, and share that link in the description box below so that you can check out. The next thing I got is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash, which helps to replenish and lock in skin's natural moisture. Mm, this one is with the soothing oatmeal, and I haven't used this one before, but I have heard very good reviews about this. I have extremely dry and flaky skin, and it gets itchy at times, like my arms and legs, they are extremely dry. So I was looking for some moisturizing products which can help me to retain the moisture in my skin. So I'm definitely excited to use this. The one I'm using currently is the blueberry one from the Body Shop, which I love. Another thing that I got is from Aveeno again, and this is their skin relief moisturizing lotion with cooling action. So this provides immediate and lasting moisture relief for itchy extra dry skin. So this is hopefully going to be a perfect match for my dry and flaky skin. This is also having colloidal oatmeal as active naturals, and there was a tub packaging also, but I personally find the tube packagings to be more convenient, and they are good in terms of hygiene also. You don't have to put your fingers inside the tub to take out the product, but with a tube you can just squeeze out the product and it stays fine. The next thing that I got is this Palmer's cocoa butter formula with the vitamin E, which is a lip butter with the dark chocolate and cherry. It softens and soothes lips and adds a subtle gloss. So again, I haven't tried their lip butter, but I have tried their moisturizing lotions and all, and I was quite happy with the way they work for my skin. So I am excited to use this one as well. Thing that I got is this rosehip oil, which is 100% certified organic rosehip oil from the brand Sukin. This is Australian natural skincare, and this is free of all preservatives, and it's rich in essential fatty acids and vitamins to soothe, soften and hydrate skin, and it says that it's suitable for all skin types. I have combination skin, only my T-zone is oily, but my cheeks are really dry. So I have been using rosehip oil from the brand Akin, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly or not. I got that in my skincare goodie bag, which I got from Priceline during my makeup haul. I uh, link that haul down below in the description box in case you are interested in checking that out. That oil has been working wonders for my skin. I am really into rosehip oil these days. It has really helped me to fade my scars, acne marks. The next thing that I got is again from Sukin, and it's their foaming facial cleanser. It's sulfate and paraben free. Lately I am trying to shift my liking towards products that are free of all the nasties, like all the chemicals, parabens and sulfates. So whenever I find some natural brand which doesn't use these products, I am like tempted to buy and try that. So this one is with the chamomile, aloe vera, witch hazel and green tea with macadamia and evening primrose oils to purify and balance your skin. That's a lot of good stuff. So there is more useful information which I think I should read out. It is free of SLES, which is a sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate. No synthetic fragrances, no animal derivatives, no harsh detergents, no propylene glycol, no artificial colors, no mineral oils, no parabens, 100% vegan, 100% carbon neutral, no animal testing. I haven't used it before, but I am sure that I am going to love it. Another thing that I got is again from Sukin. I bought a lot of products from Sukin. It's their micellar cleansing water. I am already using a micellar water which is from Garnier, and it has been doing really good for my skin. It removes all the makeup and all. But I really wanted to try this as well, so I bought this. The next thing that I got is the hydrating mist toner. I have already used it for 2 times on my face, and it is so refreshing and just makes your skin look so fresh, and it adds moisture to your skin. I have heard really good reviews about this also. So this one also is free from alcohol and parabens, and it combines chamomile and rose water to soothe and tone the skin. It smells amazing. And this again is free from all those nasties, and it's 100% vegan. So how you use it, it's just you close your eyes and spray this onto your face and neck area for an instant refreshing feel. It can be used on face and body, and you can use it over and under lotions, creams, oils, gels and makeup. Whenever I use a makeup setting spray or facial mists, it helps me to get rid of that powdery feeling which you get sometimes when you powder your face after doing your base. So it's really good. The next thing that I got is this moisture restoring night cream from Sukin again. I don't have a good night cream at the moment, so I really had to buy this one. I have no clues about this, whether I'm going to like it or not, but I'm definitely excited to try it because it's enriched with rosehip, evening primrose and borage oils to promote elasticity and protect the skin's moisture barrier, and it is suitable for all skin types. What is this Sukin Super Greens Detoxifying Facial Scrub? This is also sulfate and paraben free. This is a blend of kale spirulina, which is an algae if I'm correct, and parsley, and it promotes a healthy and glowing complexion, while jojoba beads and bamboo gently exfoliate the skin. I actually have too many pores around my nose, and I really want something which can help me unclog those pores and make them less visible. So I'm excited for this one as well. So yeah, that's all. I'm done. So that's all about my haul. These are the items which I bought. So this is all about my skincare haul from Priceline 40% off sale. I hope you liked this video, and do comment below to let me know if you want me to review any of these products for you on my YouTube channel. I'll be reviewing most of these on my blog, which is www.beautyforeternity.com. So do follow me there if you are not following me already, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up and share it, and stay tuned to my channel for more awesomeness, and I love you all. Keep on watching Hannah Nail Art and Beauty. Bye.